Assalamu alaikum everyone. So last tutorial we learned how to sign up for GitHub account, and this tutorial we will learn how to add SSH key on Windows. So the first I'm going to log in with my GitHub account. I have to provide my username and password. Okay. Right now I am logging in my GitHub account. In the first, you will be landing like this. Right now I have a couple of repository. So for you, you may not have any repository, but whenever you're landing to this page on GitHub, so we have to click on this icon on the right side here, then click on settings, then click on SSH key, and click on new SSH key. So we have to create a SSH key in our computer, then we will add that SSH key here. Okay, so the comments that we have to use is, let me copy the comment. Then we have to add the public key, and then we are going to verify if successfully we are able to make a connection from our computer to the GitHub account. Okay, so now I'm going to open the Git bash. This is the first comment. I'm going to just copy this and paste it here and enter. Okay, do not type anything, just press enter. Enter again, enter. So now the private key has been created. Now this is the location where we need to copy the private key, or we can just execute this command and it will copy the SSH key. Yeah, let me run it again. Yep, so this is my SSH key. So now title, I can say Windows key. So add SSH key. So SSH key has been added to the GitHub account. So now I'm going to run this command, and it will make sure that connection between my computer and the GitHub account is make a connection successfully. Control is enter. Click. Are you sure you want to continue? Click yes. I mean enter yes. You see, you have successfully authenticated. So that means the SSH key has been added to the GitHub from our local system, is working as expected. Thank you.